Hello everybody, what is going on? It is the Naughty Investor here. I hope you're all having a great day. Now let's just do a market recap. So Bitcoin, we're still in a bear market. We're absolutely in a bear market right now. We did bounce a little bit today, but still 100% bear market right now. Bitcoin is at about $8,500, Ethereum at $616, Ripple XRP holding at about 70 cents. And Litecoin's at $168.40, Neo at just under $70, Dash at $426, and Monero at $214. Obviously, I could go down the whole list. There actually were some decent gainers today. Lisk was up about 12%, VeChain up about 6%. As you can see, Factom on up 31%. So we did see some gainers today, which is good news. It means there was some new money coming into the market. Nexus up 21%, which is something I always like to see, but we're absolutely in a bear market right now, guys. No doubt about it. But nevertheless, bear markets are the best time to buy. So let's get into today's video. So we have two mixed stories today as far as sentiment in the market goes. So firstly, French regulatory agency blacklists 15 cryptocurrency and crypto asset websites. The French stock market regulator, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, I was called the AMF, AMF, announced in a press release that they have added 15 cryptocurrencies and crypto asset investment websites to a blacklist on March 15th. According to the press release, the company listed ran afoul of the SAPIN law, stating that the investment proposals highlighting the possibility of financial returns or similar economic effects involve intermediation in miscellaneous assets and are now subject to control by the AMF. Consequently, no offer can be directly marketed in France without prior allocation by the AMF of a registration number. The press release then lists 15 offending companies who continued to advertise and market their services as investment opportunities to the French public despite new regulations. The blacklist also contains businesses that unlawfully offered investments in commodities like rare earth metals, wine, and diamonds. The statement reminds consumers that no advertising material should make you overlook the fact that high returns always involve high risk. It further advises consumers to do due diligence before making an investment, to learn as much as one can about the company or intermediary, and to only invest in a product one understands. Okay, so not the best news coming out of France, as you guys can see. There is some good news today, though. We're going to go into that in a second. So as far as France goes, basically their regulatory board for assets has blacklisted 15 companies because they're doing advertising and advertising gains and things. And a lot of people I've noticed in the cryptocurrency sphere have said things like, "Oh, some more regulation is good." Here's the reality: if you think more regulation in cryptocurrency is good, you still don't understand the point of cryptocurrency. All right. And I'm going to make a video on this in the future. And I know I'm going to aggravate some people who are like, "Well, what about this? What about that?" Look, the government can't fix every problem in society. That's what people have to understand. Because when you look at like the stock market, that's heavily regulated, and look how it is now. It's for one, it's overvalued because of the fact that there was so much quantitative easing that we never corrected from, and artificially low interest rates. But when government regulates something, it ruins it most of the time. Look at certain investments nowadays. If you don't have at least $1 million net worth, or I think that's the rule, you have to be an accredited investor. You can't invest in that. So that's government regulation. So government regulation is not good for cryptocurrency, and I'm willing to debate other YouTubers on that topic. So now into the good news for today: crypto escapes scrutiny at annual China investor event. cryptocurrencies were not brought up for criticism at the annual Chinese Consumer Protection event, despite rumors to the effect. Multiple sources had shared rumors with CoinDesk in early March that major policy changes would be announced on March 15th at nighttime during a national TV program to curb cryptocurrency activities in China, such as trading in the ICOs, which I love ICOs. The annual show is hosted by China Central Television, the country's official broadcast mouthpiece, in celebration of the World Consumer Rights Day, during which questionable company conducts are exposed for the sake of public safety. So that is good news in my opinion. They didn't come out and really say anything good about crypto, but they didn't say anything bad. Sometimes silence is a good thing, because maybe China's starting to realize that there's nothing wrong with cryptocurrency. I mean, of course, China is heavily involved with NEO. A lot of Chinese money is in NEO, absolutely. But maybe China is going to change their tune. I don't know for certain, but I think silence is better than an attack, okay? So that's my thoughts. That's the news for today. We have some bullish news in the fact that China didn't say anything bad about crypto at their annual conference. There was no Chinese government officials saying anything really bad about cryptocurrency. However, with France, not the most bearish news, but definitely not a good thing in my opinion. As far as the market goes, as far as like just capitalization and money coming in and going out, still a bear market. Little bit of a mixed market today, but I still think we're in a bear market. Best time to buy is the bear market, all right? So I hope you guys have a great day. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.